Okay, I thought I would do a part 2 on this real quick since I got it all on here. Okay, so it's all on and it's all tightened up, this ButtPack. So basically what I did is I adapted my Spec-Ops SOB ButtPack, which is designed to be used with Alice, to the PAL's MOLLE system. So I made these adapters with my sewing machine and 1-inch webbing, right? So I talked about that in the last video. So made these adapters, and then I installed them on the PAL's webbing on the belt, right? On the belt kit, L.V.I. Okay. And then let me get this. I took coyote brown paracord, all right, and then I went ahead and tightened this up on the top overhand knot, so the top bit's secure like this, okay, and then the bottom is just one, right? It's just one. So the top is 2, and the bottom is 1, and I'm going to flip this over. All right. Flip this over. We'll take a look at it. Try to explain it to you a bit. So the bottom part comes through the loop. Okay, comes through the PAL's loop. See, that's the top. The 2 top ones are up there. The bottom one slides into the bottom loop, right? So I took a very long piece of paracord, and I started with an end over here. It goes in through this bottom loop, through the, might as well just keep this over here. It goes through this loop. You see that? That loop is inside there. It goes through there, comes back out, okay, up in, through loop, back out, up in, and continues all the way across, right? And so what you have is you have an end here and an end coming out over here, and you have all of these small loops right here from the paracord going back in, okay, all along there. So you take the end here, and then you're gonna take the end, and then you're gonna put it back through that little loop, and then back through that little loop, and then you're gonna take this end and you put it back through that little loop, back through that little loop, and then you're gonna do a fisherman's knot here, and then you can just adjust it however you need. All right, and that'll keep it in place. I know it all sounds like a pain, but you don't want this just flopping all around either. You know, you gotta, if you don't do it this way, you could figure out another way, but you want to try to get this on here, and then you want to try to keep it secure, right? So if you have questions, just drop me a line, and I can try to help you as best I can. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to undo my harness here. Okay, I'm going to undo this, and then I'm going to put that D-ring, the harness through the D-ring, and then that will pull it up like that. Okay, and then the same thing over here, that will pull it up like that. All right. Any questions, comments, what have you? Drop a line. Catch you later.